Hello, Year 6, and welcome to Friday of week 5. So it's Friday, the 5th of February. I hope that you all did well this week, looking through the different lessons on White Rose to do with percentages. Today is chance to put all those skills into practice and apply them in a variety of different games. So a pretty nice Friday task, if you ask me, being able to just get on and play some different games. So what I'm going to do is put a link to a couple of websites available to you on Google Classroom and the school website. And I want you to just play as many of the games as you want to, really. It's just really using those skills that you've learned in order to apply them into a different circumstance. So let me show you the first website I want you to have a look at. So this one is Enrich, which is a maths website, and simply the game is about matching fractions, decimals, and percentages. This is a good way to start off. So basically, you'll end up with a grid that looks like this, that has a variety of different cards, and you simply have to match them together. So, for example, you might have click on 1/2 and 0.5 as they're the same fraction. You might, for example, find 0.9 and 9/10. Or what else might there be? Ooh, let's have a look, shall we? 0.75 and 3/4. You get the idea of the game. That's obviously relatively easy. So if you go to this settings button here, you can change the settings. So you can do face down, you can put a timer on, and that makes it trickier. So you click on there in this current window and it changes the game. So now all the cards facing down, there's a timer on. See how quickly you can do it. So not only now do you need to try and find the right one, there is also the issue of you can't actually see them. What's this one? Ah, there we go, I found one, perfect. Okay, so that then stays up and then you can look for another one, but I can't find another one. Okay, so there's one game for you to play. That's a really good thing to start with, remembering how you can change the settings to make the game more tricky. Okay, so the other place I want you to visit, which I will put the links up for you, is this website here. Okay, so Top Marks. A lot of you guys might have used this in school. It's a really great website. And there's a variety of game here. It says not flash there. That's really important because if it says not flash, that means it's easy to use due to the fact that you don't need to have Adobe Flash Player. So it's important that the game that you choose to play does say not flash. Okay. It starts off pretty easy. So you can see building fractions, fractions intro, fractions matcher, daily 10, fractions equality. Okay, so and it moves on and on and on and on, and there's lots of games on fractions. Then it goes on to decimals, compare decimals, and then there's this one here, which is also good because that's something that we've been looking at this week, matching fractions, decimals, and percentages. So it works like a little bit of a puzzle. You've got to put them all together. An addition, fractions, and then there's this game here. So this is the game that I really recommend that you play, and then the rest of them you can visit as much as you want. It's up to you what you play from there on. So it's Decimals Jeopardy. Okay, so you get asked a variety of questions against the clock, and it's basically like a quiz game, and you can just try and answer different questions. Okay, it's a little bit tricky, but again, I think you'll do great. So the first one I want you to play is the enriched matching game. I want you to have a look at Decimals Jeopardy, and then you feel free to access any of these other games and have to go at them And that's all. So I hope that is a good Friday maths lesson. Just remember, any skills that you've learned, just apply them to the games and have fun. Okay? Have a brilliant weekend, and I look forward to seeing you next week. See you later.